Preamble. We, the sovereign Filipino people, imploring the aid of Almighty God in order to build a just and human society, and establish a government that shall embody our ideals and aspiration, promote the common good, conserve and develop our opportunity, and secure to ourselves and our posterity the blessing of independence and democracy under the rule of law and a region of truth, justice, freedom, love, equality, and peace do ordain and promulgate this in Constitution.